So this is going to be a very brief introduction to video creation, with AI, right? Um, the platform we're going to be using is Sora. Sora. So this just, like I said, is just a brief introduction. There are other platforms, but that will be for um, the main platform, the paid class. So, but for this free masterclass, just one to Sora. So there are other tools, like I said. So you go to sora.chatgpt.com. But here is the trick. Sora does not work in Nigeria, especially if you're watching this from Nigeria. Sora does not work in Nigeria. So what do? We use a VPN. Okay, we use VPN. So you go to your Play Store. You go to your Play Store and you search for VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. This particular one is the one I'm using. VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. So let me open it for you to see. So you are going to connect to United States server. So once you open it, you'll see here it's showing connected for me, but for you it won't be showing connected. But it's showing connected for me. But when you open it for you, see now it's connected. So just click this power button. This power button you can see. Click it. So it's going to show you. Then you go up to this corner. You go to this corner. You select. By the time you open, let me open it for you to see. So you see different countries. So you just select United States. Anywhere in United States, just select United States. So I prefer United States, New York. That's what I'm currently using. Sora, like I said, is not available in Nigeria, right? So this is because my VPN is not on. So I'm gonna go back to put it on, then reload that same page. All right, VPN. So always check the country you connect to. Ensure it's connected to the United States. So we are in. Let's go back to our browser and refresh that page. When you want to do, just type Sora, your Google to search. So the first one is going to be sora.com. So that's the one you go with. You click it. Okay. So we already learned in our previous courses. So once you open this Sora, once you log in, it will bring you to this home page right here. So and you want to check your profile. It's at this corner. So some of the things I've created, just brief creation. Okay. So we already talked about prompt engineering, prompt structuring. So we want to create a video, like I said during that course, that you must have a clear picture of what you want to create at the back of your mind. Okay, so I want to create a video for instance, this cake now is one of my big sister. So I just thought that she make cakes, she make donuts. So I'll just give ChatGPT the ideas in my head that I need a prompt for that I can use for Sora. So let's go to ChatGPT to create something like this. So here we are in ChatGPT, right? We want to create should we create maybe an entertaining video? Okay, let's do this. Let's use someone's profile. I hope I still have the image. So one of the person in our course. Okay. So the image is uploaded. Instead of typing, you can type, you can just record. Sometimes the recording works better for me because I get to express everything in my mind. Sometimes while typing, some of those thoughts used to escape. Okay, so I want to create a Sora advert video for this brand. So I want you to analyze the image carefully, highlight all the important points. You don't have to mention the full name, and you can mention the full name if you please. Okay, So I want the scene is not necessarily going to show our face, but maybe two people having a conversation, somebody drinking Coke, and the other person coming telling the person that drinking Coke, soft drink, is not healthy for the earth. That if if Esther catches you drinking Coke, so the other person will act shocked, or who is, and ask, okay, who is she? So the other person will now narrate and explain that, oh, she's a dietitian, she's a this, she's a that, and she offer all of these services. So for your health service, for your health, what do you call it now? Maybe you want a proper plan for your health, to live sound health and all of that. Just give me a prompt, give me the perfect prompt that I can use for Sora to generate the ad video based on this thought I've just expressed. Just know what you want. I know what I want, but then expressing it may not be 100%. All right. So, however, ChatGPT understands perfectly what you're trying to do. Object analysis of the image. So you see professional identity. We have tone and positioning. We have visual cues, nutrition counseling, nutrition assessment, meal planning, and so on. So creative direction for add a line. So no face. So it's first of all try to break down everything I'm trying to do. Oh, there's a mistake here. It's saying create a short cinematic advert video 30 to 40 seconds. Please note that Sora can only create 15 seconds. So we are going to be editing this prompt. Okay, great job. For the prompts that you just gave us, note that Sora can only give us 15 seconds long video. So please adjust or edit the prompts to fit into 15 seconds and still be able to communicate what we're trying to communicate, the information we're trying to pass. So remember to add a call to action for the brand that, okay, you can send them a DM or reach out to them through their Instagram and do link in the comment section or something. So again, remember our prompts, you don't have to crack your head on what to type. So you can go ahead and read this. Ensure you read so that you know that what it's giving you is proper. Create a realistic cinematic 15-second advert video, style and tone, modern, professional, calm conversation, and natural lighting environments, office break area, cafe or campus. No exaggerated acting. Do not clearly show faces. Scene 1, two adults standing casually. One person is drinking a bottle of Coke. Camera focuses on hands and torso. All of that. So you can read it, okay? And just copy the prompt. Then you go back to Sora in your browser. So click this plus button. Click the plus button and just paste your prompt here. Go ahead. So you send it and then wait for our creation. So if you look up here, it says added to queue. You see this draft rolling. So that means it's working on our creation. Let's go back. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the graphics. Remember, this is ChatGPT, or these are AI tools. They can do anything. Just think anything you can think of. Anything you can think. So I have somebody here, Pious. So I have Pious here. So I want to do the same thing. But in this case, they won't be drinking Coke and all of that since it's offering a different service. So I'll just tell you to just okay, so I want you to observe or analyze these new graphics and create an ad around the services this Pious is rendering. Remember, it's for Nigerian audience, so 50 seconds ad around these services. So you see agronomist, technical field-based expertise, focus on practical agricultural productivity. So it highlighted everything it does. Okay. Creative direction for the ad, short, relatable. So we have the prompt here, so we just copy the prompt. Okay, we copy the prompt and then we go back. Remember the first one we didn't state that it's for Nigeria audience, so the other one is almost done creating. So you just click this plus and you paste the new prompt, but please make sure you read it so that you can know if there's need for addition. I'm not reading because I'm trying to buy time. I don't want this video to be too long. So let's see our draft. We currently have 2 videos running. Oh great, this is the first one.
Soft drinks like that aren't really good for your health. If Esther ever catches you with that...
Wait, who's Esther?
A professional dietitian. She helps people with nutrition counseling, meal planning, and real health structure.
So I think this first one we were not very detailed enough. I was not very detailed enough with the instruction, right? I was not. It's nice though, but I think it can still be better. Okay. Then we didn't specify the location, Nigeria audience, even others we didn't remember. It's just this pious. So let's see the farm.
This farming thing no dey easy. Crops no dey grow well.
That's why you need Pius. He's an agronomist, crop production, farm consultation, soil and soilless farming, irrigation, and organic agriculture.
This farming thing no dey easy. Crops no dey grow well.
That's why you need Pius. He's an agronomist, crop production.
So I think this is also nice. We didn't specify. We didn't even tell you to use Pidgin, okay, and they decided to add Pidgin on their own. Anyways, but it's still okay. So to download this, you have to first of all post. Okay, you have to post it first. So it's from the post that you can now go ahead and download. Well, there's a trick. If you download it, you're going to download it with watermark, but there's a trick to download it without watermark, and that's the last thing I'm going to be showing us. So I'll post this, post the second. So but basically
Soft drinks like that.
Basically just make sure your instructions are clear. So that's why you need to have the clear instruction in your mind before coming online to say just generate video. Okay, so you know what you want. So this farming thing now, I didn't even tell them to be on the farm, but it's quite it's just the work of our prompts. So I want to start generating the other theory. So we've posted it. So what you do next is, okay, so you see this share button towards the bottom right corner. You just click on the share. By the time you click on the share, it's going to copy the link. So you go to this website, online.fleaflick.com, whatever that is. So you open the site or just search Google Sora download. It's going to show you different links to download Sora video without watermark, of course. So you paste the link here and you click download. So you wait for it to load, and here we go. You just download your video here. So our video is downloading. Only to finish downloading, we play it and we are good to go.
This farming thing no dey easy.
As you can see,
Crops
we
no dey
no
grow
longer
well.
have watermark.
That's why you need Pius. He's an agronomist, crop production, farm consultation, soil and soilless farming, irrigation, and organic agriculture.
So basically, I just experimented with, okay, like I said, you just search for, okay, save Sora. Search for, so you see different ones. So I prefer this fleek, whatever. Okay, thank you for watching. Do it to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Okay, sorry about the background noise or sound playing or making the sound. It's just when I was playing the video to edit that I discovered it. Sorry about that. I just wanted to add this, that for anything AI you have to keep upgrading yourself, watch more videos, go on YouTube. There are lots of videos that you can watch more YouTube, take courses. You have to pay for some courses. I've paid for about 2 to 3 courses in the last 1 week, to just keep upgrading, because information are changing, things are getting better. Thank you so much. Please leave a like and